Earthquakes shake the U.S., Formosa or Taiwan, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Japan, Indonesia, and Vanuatu. On Sunday, July 18th, the state of Alaska, USA was hit initially by a 6.7 magnitude earthquake near the eastern Aleutian Islands, with a series of aftershocks in the same region measuring up to 5.8 on the Richter scale. Later on Sunday, a 5.3 magnitude quake rattled Formosa's Yilan city as the South Pacific island nation of Papua New Guinea was also stricken by several strong temblors, one a magnitude 6.9 occurring 60 kilometers southeast of Kimbe, New Britain, followed soon after by a stronger 7.3 magnitude quake in the same area. An initial tsunami warning issued by Indonesia was later lifted while other tremors continued into Wednesday. On Tuesday evening, the Solomon Islands experienced a 5.0 magnitude quake centered 110 kilometers southeast of Gizo. The next morning, Japan reported a 5.0 magnitude temblor centered in Nara Prefecture, and again early Friday a 5.3 quake in Chiba Prefecture. On Wednesday afternoon, a magnitude 6.3 temblor jolted eastern Indonesia's Maluku Islands, and on Thursday morning, one of 5.0 magnitude was reported in the nation's easternmost province of Papua.
Also on Thursday, a powerful 6.2 temblor struck 115 kilometers northeast of Luganville, Vanuatu. However, there were thankfully no major damage or injuries reported for any of these events. We are grateful to know of the safety of the residents in all the quake-affected regions. We pray, meanwhile, for the cessation of such disturbing events as our gentler stewardship helps ensure the stability of our shared ecosphere.